India lays down three important kinds of emergency: national emergency, state emergency, and financial emergency. Now coming on to what we would be discussing today is Article 360. 360 talks about financial emergency. So far, India has not witnessed a single financial emergency since independence. Now, what actually is Article 360? When we say Article 360, it talks about that President, if believes that the financial stability of the country is under a threat, then President has the power to impose financial emergency. Now, how does it proceed? It occurs through a simple judicial review, and if it gets approved in both the houses through a simple majority. So it's just a simple majority that has to be passed, and there is financial emergency. How it is revoked or finally it is removed, what we can understand in simple terms. So when we say revoking a financial emergency, President does not need approval from anyone. President can decide on his or her own, what and when is the right time to remove a financial emergency from the country. Now, what are the proclamations that are issued under Article 360? Those are very, very important. So the proclamation is, it shall be laid down in both the houses of the parliament. It must pass through a simple majority in both the houses of the parliament, and this shall cease to operate in 2 months, which is the expiration period within which the resolutions have to be approved by both the houses of the parliament. Once you have a financial emergency that is imposed, there can be optional, there can be reduction in the salary of central employees, reduction in the salary of state employees, reduction in the salary of administrative officers, and the salary of judges of High Court and Supreme Court. However, it was during the period of 1990s, before you had the LPG reforms that came in, the situation was closing very near to a financial emergency, but Government of India pledged nearly 40 million tons of gold with the Bank of England as well as the Swiss bank, and that was an idea to limit the credit, to maintain the credit limits for the imports, or to secure the credit limits for the imports, and because of that we were able to survive through that phase. So those are some of the important things that we focus here. The articles of the Constitution, Article 352, which is the national emergency, 356 state emergency, and 360 financial emergency are very, very important. We'll be coming up with many more important lectures. Stay tuned.